What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, we got a good bit of information to go over. It's going to be a little bit of exciting information, to say the least. First, let's talk about the big news here, man. MMTLP had a green day. The Santa rally came into effect, as you can see here on the chart. We are up over 4% today. Now, I know we got a long way to go. We were hoping to get to $3 before Christmas, but hey, we will take a 4% day. If we can keep this Santa Claus rally going up into the first quarter of 2022. We know we got the dividend coming out in first quarter. We're hoping in January or slightly after January when those MMAT1 options expire. So there's a lot on the horizon, let's say, for MetaMaterials. So we're going to go over the FinTel information. We're going to go over how MetaMaterials is now officially in the semiconductor S&P. So that's super exciting. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. And baby, let's go. All right, first I want to go over here in the video and talk about what I ended yesterday's video with and touch base on this again. My buddy William, one of the admins here on the Facebook group, guys, he put down these steps that kind of make sense, and we're going to go over everything here. Step 1 was to acquire TRCH. Step 2, lock short positions at the end of the closing on Friday instead of Monday. Sneaky, but legal in terms. Step 3, acquire new investors with the special dividend. Step 4, release only crumbs till the dividend. Step 5, end dividend in both businesses and investors' favor and let the paper hands lead. Step 6, begin releasing big and bigger info to true investors. Show the world what we've been doing for the past decade, inventing, developing, and climb the summit business as usual. I wanted to touch base on this again because the more I sit here and think about it, man, it makes sense. George has only been throwing like little nuggets out to us, nothing really, let's say, dropping bombs or anything like that. They have been really just releasing breadcrumbs in a sense, but I do think it's for the reason, the more I sit and think about it, it makes sense. He doesn't want a bunch of traders, a bunch of people just to come into the stock for the dividend and then just leave right out after they get the dividend. He wants people that's true to MetaMaterials and people that believe in the diamond hand, people that's been here. He wants to reward those investors. That's my true believing. That's why we got in George We Trust back there. Comment down below what you think George's reason is for maybe only doing it the way he's been doing. A lot of people have been complaining about he hasn't been really doing much posting of serious, press releases and stuff. But I believe this has something to do with it, in my personal opinion. All right, guys. So if you're not following me on my Twitter, go follow me at TerryZ247. First, I want to say, if you're looking to get a new broker to start the new year, Webull has a fantastic offer right now. If you click on my link here on Webull, I will have it down in the pinned comments as well. Click on that link, download the app, make your first deposit. You get 5 free stocks, valued up to $8,300. So go check that out. Also, here I shared from MetaMaterial News, where they took the screenshot from Market Screener. MetaMaterials added to the S&P Semiconductors Select Industry Index. And here is the headline from that right there. You can see, there we go. So boom, there it is. Also, if we go over to MetaMaterials' actual page, you can see here where they posted it. And you can click on here on the actual link and it'll take you to this here as well. Boom, right here's the official headline of it right there. So that's pretty, in my opinion, pretty fantastic news. Right here it is, MetaMaterials, NASDAQ, added to S&P Semiconductors. So there you see it, guys. Super exciting stuff. And now we're going to take a look here at the premium FinTel information. First, we're going to go over the short interest. Short squeeze score setting at 77.93, ranked 274. We actually came down a little bit on our score. We were at like a 79 yesterday. And look at this here. This is very interesting. The short shares that are available up to 800,000. I think back in yesterday's video, I think it was around the 70s, 50 or 70,000 shares. So someone returned a lot of shares today. Yeah, and as we get on here and take a look at the short borrow fee, that rate has went down because we was at the 3.07% or 3.09, and now we're down to 2.33%. So Shorts have either, returned borrowed shares, shorted shares, but something has happened for this to come down. So maybe they didn't want to have shorted shares over the holiday weekend, over this holiday, going from Christmas to New Year's. But as you can see, they did pick a little bit more back up than normal today on the short volume ratio. The FINRA here has a 34.29. And if you look back yesterday, it was a 26.28. And on the 21st was a 20.66. So they're down a lot less than what it usually is. But it's still, they're still kind of letting us know it's there. As you can see, back on the 21st, it was the aggregate short volume ratio, which is the total between the FINRA, CBOE, and PSX. On the 21st, it was 25.76. On the 22nd, 30.72. And today, they already got it updated, 38.17. So just when we thought they were taking it back, they are slightly increasing. So we want to keep up with these numbers for next week and see what they're doing. Also, I wanted to show you the institutional buyers here. As we can see, I think all that is pretty much still the same. Institutional shares make up about 15%. The ownership accumulation sitting at a 32.30. But we do have more buyers listed today, guys. It's exciting. Now, like I said, these buyers are from about 30 to 45 days ago. As you can see here, these average prices, they're in the mid $4. So we covered the ones for the 21st and 22nd. We need to cover the ones that got added today. Here, look at these people that's buying. A Schwab Total Stock Market Index. They have a total share position now of 89,000 shares, guys. They increased their position. This Schwab Small Cap Index increased their position. They now have 472,000 shares. Look at these average prices. $4.34, guys. They have about the average cost that most of us probably had. Also here, this is a brand new position. This is a big boy one. JP Morgan Diversified Return US Small Cap Equity ETF. This is a brand new position because it's highlighted in green. 111,000 shares. That's phenomenal. So welcome to the Meta Millionaires group, man. Nice to see we got index funds and small cap equity ETFs purchasing up these shares. They're increasing their positions. I love seeing that. There wasn't no new sellers on the list as well. All right, I want to end the video here quick. I retweeted this here from Dadtastic. This here is talking about the hashtag Occupy MMAT. And this here gives an exact breakdown of what it means. So if you follow me on Twitter, you've probably seen this. But here's the MMAT, Occupy MMAT action here. It says knowledge, know what you own, conviction, own what you know, and faith, hold what you believe in. So there it is, guys. I totally support this movement. Like I said, we're finally going to get recognized here, I believe. It was just a huge craziness to the end of 2021. 2022 hopefully will be better. We will have to wait and see. I think the big catalyst for us is this divvy. I would still like to hope that the stock could stay relatively low before we get the divvy announcement. I don't want it to go to $4 and $5 right now because I want to take my divvy and buy the shares here under $3. So I as much as I hate to say it, I like to see Meta stay down just a little bit longer until we get this information on the divvy and when we're going to get paid. Hopefully we get paid fast, and that way we can take the money and buy back in Meta. I don't want this to be $4 and $5 again. So we will have to wait and see what happens. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm. And don't forget, if you need a brokerage, check out that Webull link, 5 free stocks. Also, I'm not sure if I'll have a video out here over these next couple of days. I might not. I may come out with some different stuff. We'll just see how the time goes with family and things like that. So I appreciate all you guys' time, and I'll catch y'all in the next one, guys. Peace.